PSLE is coming. Can you solve this 2017 PSLE Math question? And the question goes, the first 15 numbers of a number pattern are given below. What is the 626th number? So in this case, we see repeating numbers and repeating pattern. That means this is a repeating pattern concept. So we just want to see what is the pattern. So how do you spot the pattern? So first, you will just want to spot the first number, which is the number 4. So the thing is that if you can't find the pattern, no worries. Then we can move on to the first and second number. So first and second number will be 4 and 0. And if we still can't find the pattern, no worries. Then we can move on to, I think you can guess, the first, second, and third number, which is 401. And then if you still can't find the pattern, still no worries. Chotomate, we can actually go for the first, second, and third and fourth number, which is 4012. And since you are able to find the pattern, then congratulations, you have the first step done. So now, good effort. The next thing is we want to create this thing called the repeating group. So the repeating group is basically just a group of numbers, in this case, that is repeated in the pattern. So we also want to number them. So 4 will be the first, 0 will be the second, 1 will be the third, and 2 will be the fourth number. So let's say, for example, if you want to find the fifth number, what will be the number? I think you probably know the answer. So the answer is 4, because if you were to create another repeating group, the fifth number would then be number 4 in this case over here. So we can say fifth number, we will have the first number, right? First number, which is number 4. Okay, let's say if we have the sixth number, what number would it be? If you guess 0, then you're right. So same thing, you get another repeating group, and then the sixth number will be the second number, which is 0. So we put sixth number as the second number. What about the seventh number? I think you probably know the answer. The answer is 1. So same thing, get another repeating group and go to the seventh position, and you'll find 1 as the seventh number, which is the third number in the repeating group. And then I think you probably know the eighth number, and the answer is 2. And same thing with the repeating group, you will then have the eighth number as the fourth number in the repeating group. So the thing is, can you see what is the repeating pattern over here and how we get the first number? So I think I shared with you, which is basically you divide the number of numbers in the repeating group. So for the fifth number, we have 5 divided by 4. We will give us 1 remainder 1. And then let's try sixth number. 6 divided by 4, we have 1 remainder 2. 7 divided by 4, we have 1 remainder 3. And 8 divided by 4, we have 2 remainder 0. So you can see that the remainders over here give us what exact number in the repeating group, right? And in the eighth number, there's no remainder, which means it's the last number. So in this case, we can just have 6 to 6 number by dividing by 4, and we should get the remainder 2. And that means the second number, 0, is the number for this repeating pattern in the 626th position.